with Madam. Si Madam Sam Lanisa, tsaka si Say. Or just Say. It's already 12:10. We're enjoying our food na. Si Sam. Sarap. Actually, dumating na si Miss Aramin. Oh my God. Super sexy. Kardashian lang yung body niya. How I wish. How I wish.
You start with Miss Tess. Hi, say hi.
Hi!
And one of our beautiful owners of Allura, Miss Christine Baliket. And of course, our medical director, Dr. Manuel Ma. More about what Allura can offer you. We have our medical director of Allura. He's a board-certified general surgeon, a graduate of MCU FDT College of Medicine and Surgery. He completed his residency training in general surgery at the Chinese General Hospital and Medical Center, where he is currently a consultant in the Department of Surgery. Aside from his specialty, his practice also involves more than 12 years experience in slimming and body contouring using non-invasive techniques. Thanks to his keen interest in this field, he constantly updates himself with the latest in non-invasive body slimming and contouring technology, both local and abroad. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce to you the Medical Director of Allura Body Contour and Slimming Center, Dr. Manuel Ma.
Good afternoon.
So Dr. Ma, tell us about Allura. How did it start?
Okay. Ang Allura Body Contour is a concerted effort ng experts sa body slimming, skin caring, and wellness.
So why slimming? Why did you choose to focus on slimming and contouring?
Yeah, ang slimming, let's focus doon sa word na non-invasive. Non-invasive slimming system, ibig sabihin nito is no downtime. Non-surgical procedure, ibig sabihin, no? Non-invasive means utilizing several modes of technology, like your radio frequency, your ultrasound, your infrared, basta not involving surgery. Let me talk about the best seller sa amin, which is yung thermolipolysis, and I think we're the only one who have the machine, which is very popular. We have already been featured to several networks, featured na yung thermolipolysis. It's very popular. We lose a lot of calories having been inside the capsule. No? So, to as much as 750 calories. You burn, imagine nyo, to burn 750 calories means 7 kilometers of jogging, not slow walking but jogging. So
Go to the gym, blah, 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 blah. So anyways, they said, try this. It's Ara's favorite. O, diba? Kaya ko siya gusto i-try kasi favorite ni Ara. So anyways, they'll give you this suit. Para siyang space suit. Na, what is it made of? Some
Sauna suit siya talaga.
sauna suit, yun. Susuotin mo siya. And then, ipaprep ka lang nung mga technicians nila. And then you'll just lie down. You'll start with 30 minutes. And then the heat is like 68 degrees to 81 degrees. Ayan. Yan, parang may levels. They'll start you with hindi masyadong mainit. And then 30 minutes. Tapos nakahiga ka lang doon. Actually, pwede ka matulog. Pwede ka mag-cellphone. Basta yun, relaxing lang. Tapos parang umuuga-uga yung bed. Tapos parang parang nasa tanning bed ka. Tapos meron mga lights. Yun yung heat. And then after your 30 minutes, pagtayo mo, as in pawis na pawis ka, as in tumutulo yung suit mo. And then they'll show you how many calories you lost. So,
cavitation or our capital lipolysis and the thermolipolysis. To talk about yung cavitation, it involves yung ultrasound technology. So, ginamit na rin itong ultrasound to destroy fat actually. To irritate your fat cells, eventually puputok siya. No? Puputok siya, ang tawag yun, pinapasabog nga yung fat cells. Yun naman kasi ng fat cells are triglycerides. These are energy that you should burn. Pero pagka hindi mo yung na-burn, magiging fat cells siya. So once destroyed, you need to burn it. So you are given the chance na masunog po. And your fat cells are lessened in number. So, nandun na-destroy yung fat mo, tapos sinubo ka pa sa thermolysis, magpo-burn ka ng calories. So, ang outcome is weight reduction. Or, a lot of calories na inipon mo, cumulative in a number of weeks or years or decades na nandyan siya, you will be given a chance to burn it.
Can you tell us about your experience with Alura?
The whole family, medyo malakas kaming kumain when it comes to mga carbs lalo. When I started with Alura, that's when I learned how to, maintain being healthy. Actually, not slim as in kaya because I didn't like it because I looked gone. So siguro sa Alura, I'd be there almost every day. Parang parang bibulis na yung pagpayat ko talaga. And it's not just about losing weight, it's yung my skin kasi, especially when I do yung VR, it tightens my skin.
Just finished doing the makeup of...
Sabi mo yung name mo?
Oo, Sophia. And si Kerry. Kerry! Naka-extensions ka?
Opo.
Yes.
Wala nang curls.
Aww. Sophia for her junior prom. Yeah. My job is done.
Pretty pa din.
Clear!